because this is my
Yeah.
my big
Yeah.
win. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone, and I've got this short little thing written out just so I can be clear. So I'll just read through this real quick. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and into the magic zone. I've been preparing as best as I can over the last few months to create a solid environment where employees can thrive, from everything to a nice, reliable van to branding that's attractive to prospects, a good CRM and other tech, a documented, clearly communicable value set and expectations. Now that I felt ready, as much as I could at least, I leaned into hiring and I've been blown away. In 1 week on Indeed, I had over 130 applicants, filtered through my personal, rather lengthy application, whittled that down to 35, did several interviews over the phone and got it down to 8, did 8 in-person interviews, and I've got it down to 4 all-stars, 2 of which I'm hiring now and 2 in January or February. And as a cherry on top, the peace and the confidence that I'm giving off on my on the spot estimates is landing me job after job, leaving me booked up through the middle of February with more rolling in, all of which are very nice paying. Long story short, I feel God's hand of blessing, and it's so exciting because I'm on the trajectory of owning a company and not just owning my job. You guys are a huge reason why, and I just want to thank you.
That's
Wow.
powerful. That's the best news I've ever heard, Steve.
I think we should say